Nice one. First fish of the trip.
Yeah. We were just having some fun throwing our worms, and then it went straight for it.
Nice.
Yeah.
It was just right here, huh? Cruising.
Yeah. So yeah, he was like right out in the open, and it's like noon right now, so it's pretty hot. Just out in the open.
Yeah, the water's pretty chilly though, so
I
think so. We're testing out this snake wake bait, and this guy was following it, but he wasn't really committing, so I told Alex to throw a little Senko, and he went for it.
I threw it right in the front. He got it.
Right in his face, yeah.
Yeah. All right. We haven't even got the kayaks wet yet.
No, we haven't.
Yeah. Yay!
Solid fish. The game plan is swim bait for like drawing power, probably. Maybe to draw them out. If they don't commit, we'll get them with the soft plastics. You already got one with that technique.
Yeah.
Draw them out with this thing. Got them with the worm.
Now we just spotted a fish. So he's trying a technique where he's throwing the topwater snake. So that the fish could see it, and then once he's ready, he's gonna throw in the Senko and trick him and then get him fast. We were doing that with my first bass, and that seemed to work. We're not too far from where I caught the first one. Oh, he's going away.
I can fucking walk this slowly.
He's a big guy, he's not wasting his time.
Okay, they like the wake bait.
Yeah.
I just have to look.
Yeah, bear. Oh, that's just big.
Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Got you. I got you.
Just bring it up already. Nice.
Get that motherfucker.
Sweet.
Got him.
The technique worked.
Fucking after how long? How long did it take?
That was like 3 different lures that you tried. You tried the snake.
I tried the snake. He followed it. Tried the Senko. He looked like he was gonna take it, but he never did. Switched to the bluegill, gantarelle, following it, but then he lost interest. And I threw the Senko again. Got him. Let's go.
I think I'm gonna try the bluegill to bring him.
To bring him in, we gotta go for a striper now. We just got a largie. We gotta try to get a striper.
And then catfish tonight.
And a catfish. That's the trifecta.
Okay, so we caught bass today, catfish tonight, striper tomorrow morning.
All right.
Hopefully.
The
Here you go.
the Colorado River trifecta.
Yeah.
So there's this male bass right here. He's staging, throwing everything at him except another male bass. Let's see what happens. Leave it there. Twitch it. See, he's looking at it. You have to keep it in his area. Here, try this. You might have fired him up, and then he'll go after the smaller worm. Let him go away. Go. Twitch. Twitch.
Told you too.
Grab him by his lips. So, finally got him. I didn't get it on camera. I suck. But hold on.
Almost gonna get out.
Grab him hard. There you go.
You keep it on.
No, it's alright. It's gonna come on. Here.
You missed it. I told you to. He said, get it ready. He was getting really mad. I was really playing him for a while. And this is, again, another one next to camp. And this guy would not stop. This guy's a fighter. For a little guy, this is the hardest fish I had to fight for a little guy.
Fighter or you had to
Not
work?
fight, but wait for, yeah.
You had to like
was-
piss him off.
I really had to piss him off. And I noticed that when I twitched it, he was getting angry, but it wouldn't get to the point where he would want to take it. He took it once I started slowly reeling it.
Slowly crawling it?
Yeah, and he's just like staying like in this area.
Yeah.
He didn't care up until.
I think we got him mad with that swim bait though.
Yeah.
We got him mad with that.
Using a glide swim.
And then we threw a smaller bait, and he's like, oh, I could beat this one up.
Yeah.
And he went for that one. But yeah. So twitching, it wasn't the twitching.
I have respect for that small guy. Don't make fun of my small fish. Like.